If you want to know what is private labeling and what are some good examples of companies making money right now on Amazon and how much they're making, watch this video.
What Logan does is help people take great ideas and execute on them.
Okay, so the big thing right now is private labeling. And what private labeling is you're taking another product that's being sold by another brand. You're not using that brand. You're taking the product though, putting it in new packaging, putting your own brand on it, and then still making a profitable margin. If you were to wholesale that product from that brand, you'd be paying a high ticket because of the fact that you're paying for how much money that brand spent for their marketing. But with the fact that you're now going to take a similar product, repackage it, put your own brand on it, you're able to get a nicer profit margin because it's your own brand. People are private labeling day in and day out right now, and they're creating their brand on Amazon. A prime example is kinesiology tape. Kinesiology tape is a tape that athletes use when they have a sports injury. They strain a calf or they strain an abdominal muscle. They're using it to then replace that and also support the muscle. So people have been private labeling, same thing, that same product, and creating a brand with it. There's some big brands that are in stores as well as also on Amazon. Prime example is KT tape. Okay, KT tape right now, they have multiple different listings, but right now on just one of their listings, $185,000 a month. Then you have Rock tape. Rock tape is doing about $106,000 a month. Now they have more than just one listing. That's their one listing. They have other ones where they bundle them together, 2 packages of tape, tape plus something else, tape plus measurement tool, whatever it is, they're bundling it together and they have other sales for that. Then you have Spartan tape. These are all things you can buy on Amazon. And this one's doing, just off one listing, $43,000 a month. So what is KT tape? What is kinesiology tape? What is Rock tape? That is basically this tape right here. They're all selling the same thing. It's a basic tape that you can peel off and you put to help support the muscle. In each one of these boxes, they're selling the same exact thing. So this is something you can do as well. You can find a good product, you can then put it in a package, create a trademark, start branding your product and selling it on Amazon. Imagine if you had one listing. I'm not gonna say shoot for the $185,000 or the $106,000, but what if you had one listing that was doing $43,000 a month? You figured out how to do that business plan. Then you went for 2 listings, 3 listings. 3 listings put you $120,000 a month. Add a 4th one, $160,000. Add a 5th one, $200,000 a month. Could you imagine making $200,000 a month? A lot of people can't do it, but people like myself and other people are doing it right now. And so can you. If you want to learn more about how to do this and you want to have a cheat sheet, I'm providing a link below. It'll give you step by step what exactly private labeling is. It'll tell you what trademarks are and what patents are. In addition to that, we have a group called FBA Innovators, because it's more than just private labeling. It's also about how to then protect it, how to then take a product, maybe put a design on it and protect your innovative products. All right, don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video.
That's what it's all about. Great ideas married with executional skills, and that's what Logan John is all about.